voice, voice. Music, music. Different, different. Language, language. Film, film.
The text is a blog. It is about Naulan's favourite singer, Aikin Tollerbergen.
Naulan's blog. Who's your favourite singer? My favourite singer is Aikin Tollerbergen. He's Kazakhstani and he's got a great voice. He sings pop music. My favourite song is Only You. Aikin can sing in different languages, Kazakh and English. He lives with his parents. He has a brother and a sister. Their names are Aydin and Gaukar. Aikin likes Jennifer Lopez's music. He also likes her films. Aikin is a big star in Kazakhstan. Do you know him?
Shakira is my favorite singer. She's from Colombia. She can sing very well. She can write songs. She's got 5 brothers and 3 sisters. She has got a pet dog, Golden Retriever. Hips Don't Lie is my favorite song.
My favorite singer is Shakira. She's Colombian and she's got a great voice. She also writes songs. My favorite song is My Hips Don't Lie. Shakira can speak 5 languages. She's got 5 brothers and 3 sisters. She likes painting and listening to jazz music.